Let me start by asking Mr. Dilip Chabria. Mr. Dilip Chabria, you were on the show. In fact, we spoke to you a few weeks back. That's when you first spoke of this extortion angle. You've now written a letter to also the police. You've also written a letter to the current police dispensation. You've written a letter to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. You've marked that letter to the Home Minister of Maharashtra. Were you extorted? Were you extorted as well?
Of course.
How much were you asked to pay?
Well, on the first day, that is 28 December 2020, I was picked up from my office at around 6 p.m. I was on my way to the club for my daily jog, and these two gentlemen, Mr. Kazi and Howell, came and they said, "You're wanted at Mr. Sachin Vaze's office." They didn't give me any reason, and they came in that, the white Innova that was part of your revelation when Mr. Vaze was arrested. During that case, which was accompanying the Scorpio, and I told them, "Look, let me take me in your car." And I didn't know that the optics was so important to them. And there comes
one second. You're saying you were taken in the same Scorpio, the same green Scorpio?
No, not the Scorpio. There was a shadow white Innova.
Right.
Was also reported.
I think that car too has been seized, right?
Yes.
Innova?
So they came in that car. I presume they would take me in that. But in front of my hundreds of workers, they wanted, I think, to drive home the message that their boss is a corrupt man.
How much did they ask you for, Mr. Chabria? How much did they ask you for?
In the first hour, Mr. Vaze said, you have to give big bucks because he alluded to the fact that Mr. Paramveer Singh was involved, and he asked for a figure of, he first told me, how much are you willing to pay? And I said, look, I have not done anything wrong. And then there was figures floating of, in his office, in the company of Mr. Kazi and Mr. Howell, they were talking of 10 crores, 25 crores, and I think finally they came down to 10 crores. And I said, look, it's not possible for me to pay that kind of money. And I said, okay, leave me today because I'm expecting a big payment the next day. And I said, I'll give you 50 lakhs tomorrow because I was being extorted left, right, and center. They said the entire family is going to be arrested. And surely they did arrest some of my family members. He then tells his officers, Mr. Kazi and Howell, why don't you give Mr. Chabria 1 crore and 10 lakhs? We'll give him money.
What?
10 lakhs for us to fight. This was his riposte to my atrocious figure of 50 lakhs that I thought I could cough back.
They were mocking you. They were mocking you because you
Absolutely.
Okay. How much did you eventually pay, Mr. Chabria? How much did you eventually cough up?
So a couple of days they would take me to the office and they would say nobody from your family is following up, and I would tell them, look, you have accused everyone. They are underground. Obviously, nobody would want the family members to be arrested. And I bought peace by paying 25 lakhs because they guaranteed me that till your family members get anticipated bail, we will not touch them. That is why I paid. Sure enough, they went back on that as well.
25 lakhs.
My sister.
25 lakhs. And where did you pay this money? Where did you pay this money? And to whom did you pay this money?
I believe it was paid to Mr. Vaze and Mr. Kazi and Mr. Howell.
And you were in custody? You were in custody?
Yes, absolutely.
You were in custody.
Absolutely.
And somebody from your family went there and gave the money?
I don't know from my family member. My family member is not revealing that for obvious reasons. But this is a fact that it was paid to them.
Okay. Now,
my God has actually told me not to divulge anything further.
Now, when you look at this fixing extortion racket...
He's not recalling anything.
No, he knows. He's spoken about it, Mr. Tiwari. He's spoken about it in great detail. In fact, he's given an interview. He's written to the Chief Minister and the Home Minister as well. And he's marked the current Mumbai Police Commissioner as well on that letter. But Mr. Chabria, if I can ask you just one more question.
Should you complain?
Yes, he has given a complaint. It's in the letter.
He should have been done.
It's in the letter. It's in the letter, right, Mr. Chabria? Have you given that in the letter? Details of it?
I have not.
The extortion.
I have the letter. No, I have written a letter of quid pro quos between the complainant and the police officers. Yeah. I haven't written a letter about this extortion bit because I was advised to go to the Anti-Corruption Bureau, and your interview happened prior to my seeking the advice from lawyers. And I revealed it in your interview because I wanted the world at large to know what was happening to the stellar and starred Mumbai police, because I want the deterrence to come through the police force because they cannot belittle or damage the reputation of entrepreneurs who have worked hard to build a brand. I mean, we are one of the
Yeah.
few indigenous brands that we built aspirations from. So I revealed it subsequently. I'm in the process of filing in Anti-Corruption Bureau, of
This
course.
is very shocking.
No, he's saying,
Absolutely, sir, absolutely.
Mr. Tiwari, the thing is...
Can I come in?
Yeah, you can. I just want to make a point. I'm just...
Why did he not complain when he was asked for the money?
Ravi
Sir,
Srivastava, just 1 second.
why did he not complain?
No,
रवि
one second,
श्रीवास्तव जी,
one
आम
second,
आदमी
one second,
पार्टी
one
को किसी
second.
दिन डिफेंड करते हैं, आज आप
Just
शिवसेना की
1 second.
वसूली को डिफेंड
Just 1
करेंगे.
second. Can I complete?
When he was being extorted,
1 second.
why
Can
did he not make
can
a
he
complaint
complete?
to the police?
Ravi Srivastava, please don't speak. I promise to give everyone a chance.
No,
I'm
we are
promising
not
you.
supporting anybody.
1 second. I'm promising to give everyone an opportunity, but please don't speak over each other. That's my only request. I will give you an opportunity. You can rebut whoever you want, but let me take some questions from him. He's putting the facts on the table, and then you can cross-question him, okay? So, Mr. Chabria, my question to you was, you see, we all believe in the Mumbai police, and you said that you have the highest respect for the Mumbai
Yes,
police.
absolutely,
There were a few
absolutely,
rotten apples who brought disrepute to the Mumbai police, and we've been saying that consistently. Now, when you look at the arrest, right? See, you spoke of Sachin Vaze, Kazi, the entire gang. Now they're all behind bars. They've all dismissed. They've all been dismissed. In fact, if you go through the letters of the Mumbai Police Commissioner, while citing the dismissal and putting down the reasons for dismissal, I mean they're shocking, right?
Yes, absolutely.
And when you look at this, look at all of this. What goes on in your mind? Because we all remember you as a car designer, and you will always be known for your work. Right?
Thank you. But let me respond to Mr. Srivastava. Sir, whom do I complain to? When you are held in custody and your entire family is accused, they are obviously on the run. Whom do I complain to? Can you answer that question to me, please? I mean, do you expect me to be bold enough to complain when Mr. Vaze has repeatedly told, and it is recorded in the court proceedings, that I will file 15 FIRs on you and you will be in jail for 2 years. It's recorded in the court, sir.
Niranjan, I
Whom
should
do I
add
complain
something.
to?
Mr.
Whom do I
Chabria,
complain
Mr.
to?
Chabria,
Yeah.
you are a rich man. You have got lawyers. You have got a battery of lawyers available to you. You don't have to make a complaint
This is
yourself.
ridiculous.
You have got
Don't
people
decide
around
what he
you
needs
who
to
can
do.
make a complaint
Sir,
that
You have
have
not
been
been
extorted.
Niranjan, I
Sir, I was-
This is
second.
ridiculous
Sir, I was not allowed to meet my lawyers
I want to
privately
add
at all. I was not allowed to meet my lawyers. That is a practice. Let me tell you that repeatedly. I was not allowed to meet. I was always escorted, and I was always eavesdropped on what I tell my lawyers. That's a fact.
He spent over 100 days. I think Mr. Kishore Tiwari wanted to say something.
Niranjan, the
Yeah.
fact which is Dilip Chabaria is coming out.
Go ahead, Mr. Tiwari. What are you saying?
Who will look into this? I sincerely apologize the agony and the pain realized by Dilip Chabaria. It is the unfortunate part. The police extortion is the last thing that goes to the credibility of the Mumbai police. And the whole episode is much more damaging. Dilip Chabaria, you should come out with the fact today itself. We will go into the detail. This is very serious matter. In fact,
Yes, sir.
Hemant Nagrale is a man with the integrity, and
Yes, sir.
justice will provide to you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I have asked for an audience with him. I have written letters to Mr. Nagrale and the Chief Minister stating the facts that I was wrongly incarcerated. Because anybody makes a complaint against a person who's well proven as an entrepreneur, you just arrest him. I mean, if for example, I don't want to name somebody, it's a role model for India, an aspirational model for India, you just go and arrest him. Don't you call him for a summons? Don't you ask for an explanation? There is a quid pro quo with my complainant because he was my ex-partner who did not pay me. And remember, sir, mark my words, I have made the complaint against my complainant 1 week before they filed an FIR on me. Nothing happened. And that's the basis of my renewed complaint to the Mumbai police. I hope they are actually looking into it, and I hope it reaches a logical conclusion.
Yeah.
That's what I hope, because I don't want entrepreneurs like me. I mean, India should laud entrepreneurs
No,
like me. We
Niranjan,
created jobs.
I assured him, I assured Dilip that the justice will be prevailed.
Mr.
Justice
Chabria,
will be
Thank you.
prevailing,
My deference to
there
you, sir.
will not
Please
be
do
an
that.
innocent victimization.
No.
Because, sir, they have damaged my reputation, built brick by brick for the last 30 years. I am a role model. I've proven to India. I've battled against the Italians and Germans to design cars for Europe. It's on public record. I've been part of editorial comments worldwide. And at least the decency would have demanded, or the research would have demanded from the police to seize or to size up the complaint. How can you just believe somebody who's not even from the state, who's not even, is not even born in Bombay, and you actually incarcerate somebody who's been a loyal citizen of the country? I have actually worked with Mumbai police time and again in every administration, done pro bono work for them. I mean, why did I deserve this? I'm not even asking, okay, I want retribution. I'm not asking for retribution.
The police commissioner was a party to this corruption. Oh, Dilip,
Pardon?
the police commissioner Paramveer Singh that time was the main culprit. So this happened. In fact, he is the one of the greatest extortionists. Now Paramveer has been exposed. Sachin Vajay has been arrested under the murder charges, and police have arrested Pradeep Sharma also. So truth will prevail. Let the NIA should go to the logical conclusion. We will also try our level best.
Sir, in mid-November, before I was arrested, I have addressed the letter to Mr.
Niranjan, let me come
Commissioner
in.
of Police.
No, one second.
Nothing happened.